right here.
Okay, can you see this? No. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, do you see that? It is like squirting out like a sieve. Do you see that? It's squirting out all kinds of juice. See that thing? Oh, we found it. It's a miracle. Okay, so this is where we are. Do you see where we are here? Okay, so this pipe right here, this hose right here seems to be the bad guy. And I have no idea what that hose is, but here's the bigger picture. Engine over here, radiator, whatever that thing is right there. So, you can see it. Get the light over here, would you? Okay.
Can you see it from over here?
Doesn't look like it's dripping really anymore. You can see some drips down there. Maybe you can't see. But it was just leaking as soon as we turned the car off. It is like...
No, now it stopped, of course.
Well, it stopped, but it was leaking right there. If you didn't see it at the beginning of the video, rewind it. The end. Okay. Now, hold that for a second. That's exactly what my dad said. It'll be squirting out because it's got a hole. Okay, turn off.